Look down my phone, and all of a sudden, boom.
I'm gonna just take a look at it. I'm going to just like take. Is this comfortable for you?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, cool. Totally cool. 718 dispatch.
Yeah.
Why didn't you have the captain respond?
I don't feel anything out of the asshole. We're still gonna have our medic come and check you out, all right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Disregard that. 718 secure this.
All right.
Good then? Yeah, all set. Yeah.
He's okay. I just checked for anything on his back. I didn't feel anything.
No, that's him. I'm right here. You're right here. I held.
Who hit him?
He hit the trailer. I don't know. So he kept coming.
Okay.
And I tried to.
Okay. And you're in this vehicle? So you were stopped.
I was getting ready to turn in. And he comes fast. I don't think he was looking. That's the thing.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. It hit the trailer. You know. I don't know if I'm gonna. I gotta take this tire. I don't even know if I can drive it out of here. Right?
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah.
I can try to get
here. I gotta block all this.
Yeah.
Tell that bike where you gotta go the other way.
You're gonna have to go back around. Yeah, everybody.
Alright, you're all done? Okay, go ahead and stand up for me. Then you're going to face my car. Okay, try and place your hands behind your back. Place them behind your back. There you go. So at this time, I do believe your normal faculties are impaired, okay? And you're under the unknown substance, okay? So at this time, you're under arrest for DUI. Yes, sir. Okay, do you have anything on you that's going to cause stiff or cuff?
Nothing on you I need to know about guns, knives, bomb, drugs, anything that
Nope.
broke, stick, or stab me?
Nope.
Can you spread your legs for me? I'm gonna put your other earbud in here so it doesn't get lost. Get a bag. Yeah, in this bag.
Can you just take that?
Yeah. That's a narco.
Narco?
Yep.
Okay. It says it's narco.
10-325.
I realize if you do have something else, please tell us now.
I have nothing else.
Okay, it's one of the disclaimers we gotta give.
Bravo, Continent.
Yes, sir. No. It's me right now.
298.20.
Oh, yeah. I'm 1012. I'm 51 to year south. No, I think you're good. Can you just send me your citation so I can include that in my report? And then if you can print out the driver's exchange to the jail, I would greatly appreciate that. Okay. Yeah, just for the arrest affidavit so I can include everything in there. Alrighty. Perfect. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Alpha 15 temperature. 60%.
Alpha 23 times up.
Hey. Yeah. I'm on my way to the hospital. You okay? Okay. Oh. I'll have to call you back later. Alrighty, yeah. I will. Bye.
10 4, receiving van down call, Del 8, Williams, Florida, Fire Rescue 1051 for mailing on Sidewalk. Primary receiving, second call, 13, Papa, Del 8, Avalon, and Cole. 10 million, 10 minutes. Reference to a black female, urinating on Sidewalk. Bravo 15, 1065, assault. The standing line. 11301, copy. Subject correct. Please cop. Claimant 1056, conference room for registered residents.
It's a sharp fall from grace, and a reminder that even former leaders aren't above the law when tempers cross the line. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now, and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Axie and Cam, and hit the notification bell.